Hello, welcome to Castle View Academy.
Alright,
Okay,
let's go. Ready, get set, and I'm going.
Oh!
Backward.
Hey, your turn.
Let's start it.
Flip. Yay! Well done. Okay, my turn. Oh, I did one flip over there, but didn't land straight. Oh. Oh, I did flip and it stood up as if it really wants to win. I really like this game. I think it's very motivating and exciting. And it's really cool when you can like flip it and it can even go over to the banner. I think it's good for anyone, anybody's age. And if you give it to someone for Christmas, I think they'd like be using it every day after they come home from school.
And I really like the game. Anybody would like it. It's fun, it's very interesting.
And difficult, and you need lots of practice for it.
So it's fun, it's good, it's everything you need for a winter game.
Yes, everything. Today we're going to show you how to use this game. It is very fun.
Now, over here, this, you may not see it so well, it's very small writing, is your ski jump scorecard.
These things here are your characters, and you can pick one of them, and there's 4 of them. This one, that one, that one, or that one. You can pick one of them for 3 goes, and whoever gets the most points wins. Or you can use just the one character.
On the scoreboard, you get points for different things to do. Please note, there's 3 rounds per person, and you can have up to 4 players.
So, I'm going to put mine on first. Yes, I am the youngest, so I'm going to go. And I only did 1 flip, and I landed on top of this. And my brother will add it all up for my scores.
Okay, there's player 1, round 1. So what did you use? You use these long skis. So you get 250 points for that. Now you did a single flip, so you get 100 points for that. And then you hit the ramp, which is this, so you get 200 for that. You did not go under the banner or over the banner. You did not do double flips or 3 or more flips, and you did not use any of these. And you did not land still sounding. So, if you add up the total,
that's 550.
So
it's a lot of points I got.
Is 500.
But I could have gone better.
And 50 for round 1. Now it's my turn. Player 2 for me, round 1. Excuse me, please.
There's even a bathtub. But make sure that you want to use it because it can bring some bad luck for your flips.
I'm going to use the sledge. And don't forget,
you can adjust
the height. So there's this height. There is this height.
There's any height you want.
No, there's this height. And then the lowest is there. So let's try the second highest. Put the sled up on this is the starting point. There's a little turny thing here.
And this is how you make it flip.
And there's a little nifty little thing that's attached to this. Goes up, along in the back of this, up and into this.
Pull that.
So you move this and I'll push that up.
And once it gets to here, you can press tab to make it go and flip.
So, we turn it, it's up, and
no flips, and it went off course.
I only got 100 points.
Tough luck, maybe you'll have better next time. So I'm going to use the skateboarder. Doesn't that man look quite fierce as if he wants to win? So, line this up straight, off goes, and no flips.
You get 150 points for that. Now,
it's his turn. Will he do better will he have bad luck.
Now, I'm going to use the long skis. Here's a tip. These can move forward and back. You want it, in my opinion, back, for more aerodynamics. Now, put it back, put it here. Get ready. Now,
Whoa! It went way off course.
yes. That is 650.
Whoa! Is he winning or what?
650.
My turn for round 3, my very last round. Will I get any luck? I'm gonna go for the long skis again. Because I think they bring the best luck to you.
You get the
Put
most
that
points
back.
for the character if you use the long skis.
Put it down and, oh, too early.
350.
Off he goes.
Okay.
Get ready for round 3. What will happen next?
I'm gonna make it a bit higher, so I'm gonna be faster. And it slides before I tell it to. Okay.
Will you get any
Can I
good luck
move
today?
it?
Because if you have it extra high, then you may not get as good luck.
If you have the highest, trust me, you do it, he'll just slide right as soon as you put it on. Now, the back little thing here, put it on the edge, but he'll still tumble down.
One flip.
And he's lying sideways. So I got 350 points. 350.
So whoever gets the longest jump wins, and it just so happens again for the second time in a row